I would like to introduce to you my new listing, 260 Brittany Drive, Unit 201, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, galley kitchen, a very nice unit on the second floor. It overlooks this courtyard with lots of trees, and it's a lot of green in the summer. Lots of very nice amenities in this condo corporation. It's close to everything, to the stores, to the parks, to the sports fields, in a walking distance. Also, it has around 7 public schools, 7 Catholic schools, and also 3 private schools. For the public transit is just perfect. Also for the light rail, it's in a proximity of 3 kilometers from here. So this is a perfect unit if you want to invest, if you want to buy your first home, or if you just want to buy something for the retirement. This is a perfect opportunity. Let's take a look at this beautiful unit. I hope you liked our little tour. I virtually staged this property. If you want to see this house, please let me know. You can find my information right here. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.